This is cabin 2166. This is the Prime Concierge Class. So as you come in, we'll turn the lights on here and we'll turn down the TV for you guys. So nice balcony cabin. As you come in here, right around the corner are your closets or closet, hanging. And that is it for your closet. You do have a nice mirror right there. There's a nice chair here, a place to sit if you do some writing. From a power standpoint, you have 2 US and 1 European. There is no USB. TV is there's a sofa behind me, which I'll show you in a minute. But you also have mini fridge down there and some more. Oh, there's your safe. You've got drawers and stuff on this side. Behind me is your sofa, which can convert to be a bed, which is nice. Speaking of beds, there's your bed down here. This is either a king, as you see it. Actually, this honestly looks more like a queen, but it's probably a cruise ship king. But twins, when you separate them, if you want to separate them, the nightstands would go in the middle. There is a headboard above. There's no TV here, just artwork, but that TV is on a swivel, so you can swivel it towards the bed. This is a Prime, so we're sort of on the jet out here. Nice, big balcony. And let's see what the views are. Oh yeah, look at that, everybody. Great views. You're not going to be able to see too much this way unless you kind of stick your head around the corner. But you have amazing views that way. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. All right, bathroom. And a nice walk-in shower with glass doors, and it's kind of an elongated corner shower, which is nice. Toilet in a great place for someone my size. Again, I'm 6'4", so that's great for the tall and fluffy. You have a nice vessel sink, some extra shelving. There's cubbies over here. There's power up top there. So all in all, nice bathroom and a nice space for this Prime Concierge. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.